Welcome to Marion, Mississippi, the home of Benchmark Coach and RV Park. Join me today to tour this amazing campground that we found here. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe down below. Also, ring that bell so you get notifications of future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Also, if you will, everybody hit that like button to help this video get seen out. All the information you see in this video for the campground will be available at the website link in the description down below. So be sure to check it out and check out this campground. All right, guys, let's get this tour started. This park is located just a few miles off of Interstate 20 on the westbound side. It is very convenient to all your needs such as shopping and dining, with a small town of Meridian less than 10 minutes away. This is a smaller park with 75 pull-through sites. All sites have full hookups including 50, 30, 20 amp power, water, and sewer. Every site also has full level concrete pads to help you level your RV, which is very cool. The park has free Wi-Fi cable internet that ranges from 10 megabytes per second to 150 megabytes per second down, depending on how many users are in the park at that time. The upload speed on average was around 20 megabytes per second. The cell coverage was around 2 bars on both Verizon and AT&T. This would sometimes fall down to 1 bar, but it was okay. The free internet was amazing, but the cell coverage, as I stated, was okay because it would slow down after a while, depending on how many people are in the park, and just the coverage seemed to fall off sometimes. You could stream or do most anything on either for the most part. This park has a massive dog park that the pups love going to. That was a highlight of this park, was their dog park. They offer laundry facilities and a shower house as well for both men and women. They also have a propane filling station on site if you need that. When we were here, our cost was $2.99 per gallon. I'm sure that will fluctuate as cost goes up and down. The cost of this park is $30 per night with several discount options including Good Sam, Escapees, and many others. If you call and give them some membership, you'll probably get a discount for it. They also offer weekly and monthly discounts but had no prices on their website for that. This was a very quiet and clean park and just great for the week that we were here. A few negatives are that the sites are really tight, and when it rains there is a lot of standing water. There are also no fire rings or no fires allowed at all. I suspect that is due to the sites being so close. We really did enjoy our stay here overall and recommend this place to anybody who's passing through. I will say this place is more of a stop for a few days for rest or whatever the case may be, but with no major attractions directly in the area, this is definitely not a destination campground, just more of a layover campground to get you to your next place. So once again, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell down below for future notifications of videos if you have not. And if you will also, please hit that like button to help this video get seen. Leave a comment on what you think about this campground. Would you like to stay here? Have you stayed here before? If you have, what are your thoughts on it while you were here? For us, this was a pass-through park on our way to New Orleans, Louisiana. But we have overall found this park to be very nice, very accommodating, and we have enjoyed our stay here. Thank you all for joining me on this campground tour today. Bye. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe down below. Also, hit that notification bell to get future... If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe down below. Also, ring that notification bell to get future notifications. If you're a new subscriber, we invite you...